Hey guys, what's up?
Demolition.
This is Demolition on Nuketown. I have gotten 105 kills in 30, and I'll let you guys watch.
Friendly spy plane inbound.
And that was a good turn on I just did right there.
Shows where you want it. Friendly care package on the way.
And apparently you can shoot through that big old house right there. Oh, Rolling Thunder.
B-52 coming in. Friendly RCXD deployed.
Only 2 kills.
The ball has been planted. Friendly spy plane inbound. Care package ready. Shows where you want it. Friendly care package on the way. Valkyrie is ready for deployment. Our Valkyrie is in the air.
And I just got a double kill. And another double kill.
Enemy care package incoming. Heads up, enemy RCXD spotted. Friendly RCXD inbound.
Now guys, mostly all these grenade kills I get are like every time I die and spawn. And the area by the left of the bus, that's where I would usually go. There's like a big kill streak over there. Now I do red dot sight on an MP5 because there's less recoil. Usually, if you do red dot sight, you usually have like no red recoil at all. And as you saw, I did not like that from us. And he just stole my kill. This guy is getting me really pissed off right here. Right now I'm 37 and 13. And this is when I'm in their spawn. And I got the last kill. As you saw there. And I finished that round off with a 47 and 14.
Demolition. Destroy the objectives. E-52 awaiting orders. Enemy care package inbound. Hostiles scanning our radar. E-52 coming in. Friendly care package on the way. The bomb has been planted. Enemy B-52 inbound. Enemies jamming our radar.
And this is when I'm about to get my chopper gunner, but somehow this guy just kills me after I put so much bullets into him. And right through the wall. Isn't that fun? And I was mad, so this is what happened. And you know how there's two people right there and you don't know which one to go for? You just end up going in the middle? That's exactly what happened. And this is when I noticed there's about to be a lot of people coming. And this is when I'm at their spawn. And I almost got a chopper gunner right there. I was pretty mad. And this is my third Rolling Thunder of the game. Now, as you see, I haven't used it yet, and I'm having a lot. I don't use it till like very late. And I'd say this one's about luck. I don't know how I got hit right there, but I guess I did. And this is when I'm having big trouble. This is when I start dying a lot. It's not really that fun.
Enemy care package incoming. Friendly RCXD deployed. Hostile scanning our radar.
This is when I start getting really mad. Every time I get a kill, I die. And every time I die another time. It's just getting out of hand.
Friendly spy plane inbound.
So when I'm getting really mad, I'm about to start drop shotting. Then all of a sudden this guy starts using a M60 and starts spraying with it, and I just get really mad.
Friendly napalm strike on the way.
And this is when my streak starts to like get down, because I'm just like dying. It's not fun. Like, sure, I'm getting some kills, but I die. Like, starting right here, I start dying so much. There's an assist. There's a death.
Time's almost up. Hostile scanning our radar. Friendly spy plane inbound.
That, I do not know what just happened, but that was the last of my deaths for the round. Starting now.
We lost that round, but it's not over yet. Get ready for the next one. Demolition.
Now,
Defend the objective.
this is when I start doing pretty good.
Take cover.
End of that round, I was 66 and 31. And this is when I'm about to get a big streak. See guys, right here, I just love it because you just get so much kills. Don't know how I survived it, but I did. I forgot I had a care package.
Friendly care package inbound. Delta spy plane up. They are blind. Enemy care package incoming. Enemies jamming our radar.
And guess what? Another Rolling Thunder. I do not know how I get this, but somehow I just do. This was like the best care package I've ever gotten.
Enemy Valkyrie incoming.
I was trying to get the guy behind it. Didn't work out so well. Finally use this.
B-52 coming in.
And guess what? Another 2 kills with my 4th Rolling Thunder. And if you guys noticed, every time I have a Rolling Thunder, I gotten 2 kills. Don't know why, but I just did. This guy wouldn't get out of my way. I hated that. Like when I play Search and Destroy on this map, people just get in my way and I get owned by a sniper. It's not the best. And I've gotten owned. I'm not liking this. Grenade fail. And this is why gas is your best friend. Sometimes. And this is why I do not like a Galil. I suck at it. That's why I do not like a Galil. And this guy kept on getting chopper gunners, so like... And I finally got something other than ammo and Rolling Thunder on a care package.
Our counter spy planes in the air.
So now if he saw me at first, he'd been killing me. And that was my fault. I should have been looking over there. This is when I'm like, oh my gosh, I passed my 85 kills. Okay, we still got 2 minutes left. I should start getting some good kill streak. Really didn't get a good kill streak, I just got loads of kills. I think the farthest I ever gotten was care package. And this is when I'm starting to get loads of kills right here. I've been saying that a lot. After a while I like die a couple of times. But that guy had his hopes up of trying to get a double kill. But eventually didn't. And this is when I start camping in the corner. Getting some kills. Yeah, there's the care package. I wish I would have gotten that triple kill.
Friendly care package on the way. Friendly spy plane inbound.
And what's the care package this time? It's a blackbird. How lucky am I with care packages, right? And that's when I was stupid and not looking at my map. I tell my friends to look at their maps mostly all the time. And now this guy. That guy right there, I did not like that guy. He kept on killing me. And that's when I finally reached 100 kills. I wanted to get that guy really, really bad. Getting my kills on. This is when I was pretty bad.
Show us where you want it.
I need a lot more ammo.
Friendly care package inbound.
And that's the end of the game
Above.
with 105 and 42. Good job, guys. I'll be seeing you guys later.